Hello everybody, I'm Dutch and I want to show you my favorite tarp suspension, and that is the Stinger. And one of the reasons why I really love the Stinger is because you are able, it has a spring gate on here, and I am able to remove it. And let's say I want to take a winter tarp, it is so easy to change it onto another tarp. But also it is quick and easy to deploy. Wintertime, it is big enough that you're able to handle it with gloves, yet it's still extremely functioning. So I like tarps that pull out from either end. Some people like continuous ridge lines, but this is my personal favorite. I have two trees here. They're about 15 foot apart. And first, I'm just making an educated guess. When I hang a tarp, I hang the tarp as high as the weather will allow. So if it's going to be rainy, I'm going to have that thing down. If I don't think it's going to rain, I'm going to put that tarp as high as I can. If it's going to be really blowing, I really batten that down. But as you see here, I'm going to guess where I am. I'm not going to do this permanently right now. I'm just doing this to hang it. But that's how easy it is. It goes onto the hook, and then you just wrap around, and you are hung on that end. When I make a ridge line versus the tie outs, you'll see that on this. I make the ridge line a different color. That way, when everything is just in a stuff sack, I can quickly go and look and find the ridge line because I know that my ridge line is orange. So I come over here to this side, and I got pretty lucky on this guess. If I needed this to move a little bit, and I'm like, oh, I am too far one direction, I could leave this a little bit loose, leave this 4 inches loose, and then just go take up the slack on the other side. And these things, they connect and they unconnect so quick. So if I really wanted this to be 4 inches more, I would just come over here, tighten it down. One thing nice about the Stinger and the way this happens is there's a V right here. If I had my hammock strap above here, it could go through here so that when the wind blows, it doesn't bump into your strap, which you can feel. So that is the Stingers. Thank you, everybody.